Castelfidardo is, like you told, a little town in the center of Italy where we tell it's a hometown of accordion making. Victoria Accordions was founded in 1919 by two families, Dari and Picchetti. The business of Victoria is now 105 years old, and we are the only factory in Castelfidardo that can look back at 105 years of accordion production. Nowadays there are still 24 factories making accordions. And there's a huge network of accordion suppliers. That means parts of the instruments are made by other factories like bellows and reeds, parts of the inside like register machines and so on. There are little tendencies to try to make parts in a more industry way, like the woodworking department can do some things, but we are very limited as the instrument is very small and the places to work and to assemble the parts are very limited. So there's a lot of handwork. With the upskill program, of course, we had many meetings with Ariana and Marco and the other people. We had the engineers from UK that were looking at the materials, for example, because we have to keep some traditional things because that's the only way to keep the quality as high as necessary for players. But at the other side, we are forced to get some innovation in also because if not, the costs, of course, would explode.
Artisanal SMEs and like historical traditional SMEs with a very strong family businesses are facing now some challenges that are communal that we can like summarize in few points, and they are like, first of all, the recruitment, how to maintain this heritage over time, how to adapt and include technological innovation in order to maintain their also authenticity in terms of handmade artisanal craft. These are the two main, challenges that we are facing there. Like the turnover, it's for them very, very crucial. Yeah.
And replacing the skilled workers that exist there, basically.
Yeah, replacing the skills, also passing the skills that are often in this context are embodied and tacit skills. So as we see in Victoria Accordions, the workers say they feel it. You can understand it by touching, by hearing. And those are skills that are, as we call them, are embodied and tacit and very complex to passing to a new worker. So this is the challenge as well that is there.
Nella fisarmonica faccio, diciamo, tutto, all'infuori delle voci faccio tutto dalla A alla Z. E mi sono invecchiato qua, perciò ho imparato a fare tutto. Dopo 61 anni e mezzo, 61 anni e mezzo che sto qua dentro. Io ho incominciato da bambino, da piccolissimo, a fare le fisarmoniche perché mio padre a casa faceva le voci e da lì ho incominciato. Poi allora si incominciava molto presto a lavorare, non è come adesso che i ragazzi studiano e poi incominciano tardamente, diciamo a 25 anni a lavorare, invece allora si incominciava da ragazzini proprio, da 14-15 anni. Io ho iniziato a lavorare qua dentro e sono rimasto qua. Però io ho avuto sempre tanto amore per la fisarmonica e soprattutto ho la passione dentro che mi trasmette per fare la fisarmonica tutti questi anni. C'ho proprio dentro qualcosa per la fisarmonica, capito? Perché mi piace molto. sono molto innamorato della fisarmonica e tutto qua. Non è. Il fatto da trasmettere, io ho sempre trasmesso e trasmetterò fino all'ultimo giorno che starò qua dentro, sempre.
We are trying to attract younger people. And yeah, part of this project is also the Accordion Craft Academy. So the idea of the Accordion Craft Academy came up because we have a huge league of accordion repairers in the world. Because there were trained people that were trained in the 50s and 60s, and nowadays they're 80 or 90 years old. And unfortunately, many of them did not train younger generations. So what happens is that we have many countries where there are no accordion repairers anymore, really no accordion repairers, and other countries where they are very old. And we have had now 450 students from 42 countries, all the continents actually, and 80 of them are doing this full-time now. So they are full-time accordion repairers. For Victoria, for me personally, but I think for everybody in Victoria, in the Victoria team, it's very important that we were set up for the next 20, 30 years. Projects like this upskill is helping us a lot to jump a little bit more fast in the future, because sometimes you're sticking in your own soup all the time, you know, and you're not really looking enough what is happening outside. And I think it's very important to resolve problems with the materials. My son has studied automation engineering, so hopefully this new things coming from the university generation also will help to bring the factory to the next generation. But I think we are always and will always focus on the fact that we need absolutely to keep our tradition in the work, so a very precise handwork, and in the same moment to sneak in some more innovation. Yeah.
What we learn from Victoria Accordions is that no matter how old the company is, but being always innovative with a spirit of innovation. For instance, the firm has founded a craft academy that is very unique, the only one in the world where actually repairing skills are passing through a very structured and clear and formal way. So I think we can learn from the artisan SMEs that they are not, as we can think, like old in their way, but they also try to be innovative, to be also relevant for the community as well.
The Upskill project highlights how skilled craftsmanship and technological development can work in harmony, ensuring that human creativity and expertise remain central to production. By supporting the integration of technology with artisanal work, the project aims to preserve cultural traditions and craftsmanship that risk being lost to over-automation or diminishing market viability. The Upskill project is where tradition and innovation go hand in hand.